Alright, so you came here today because you are cursing and screaming and yelling because you have a small tire and you're trying to put it on a small rim and you don't have one of those little mini tire machines, or actually maybe you have a little mini tire machine and you're still struggling with it. Well, I wanted to do a video on this because I myself had struggled with these little tires and little rims for a long time until somebody taught me a tiny little trick, which I want to pass on to you, which makes it a lot easier. And as you can see, we have this little rim over here, and we just have it in a vise. All right, and I just have this nut and bolt here, which actually I slid down in the middle there, so when I put my bar on there, I have something for this to lean against. Now, the first thing you want to do, which is going to help, is, as you can see, if your rim is dirty like this, you want to get a wire wheel or a wire brush, something, some sandpaper, and you want to clean all of these lips up first where your tire is going to seat. It's also going to help when we go to put the tire on. So we're going to clean that first. Ow! You definitely want to wear glasses too, because all that shit is literally hitting me right in the face. Alright, now that our rim is prepped and clean, next we're going to need our tire and some Dawn dish soap. Don't know if it absolutely has to be Dawn, but you're going to need some dish soap. And you're just going to run it around here, put a small little bead. Now you don't have to saturate it. Just go around one time. Alright. And just wipe it all on there. Flip the tire over and just hit the other side also. Alright. There we go. I'm just going to get that all in there. Have a nice lengthy pry bar, or just get yourself a nice, somewhat long, sturdy screwdriver. Have it close by for this next step. And I'll tell you why. You'll see why in a second. So now you're going to take your tire, and without hurting yourself, because I've seen people run and push this and literally smash their face on the rim because it slipped off with the soap. And you just kind of get it somewhat on there like that. Then you have your screwdriver close by, and you just want to push this over on there like that. Okay, your tire's on. That's actually going to be the easy part of it. Where most people struggle is on this stage right here. You're going to want a pair of vice grips. Okay, and what you want to do is, front of your tire down here, it's going to look like this. Okay, see how I got the vice grips flipped upside down? All right, you're going to clamp them on the rim right there, because it actually pushes down on the tire. All right, that's how you want to have your vice grips, about 2 inches away from your air nozzle here. All right, have your screwdriver handy, because you're going to need it. Put it close by. So what you want to do is you want to push in on this tire and kind of turn at the same time. See how that vice grip is pushing down on the tire? Get it started like that. Alright, now, while you're holding it, you want to keep this tire pushed in against the rim. Don't try to take one big bite out of this. This is where you fail. Come back here, just take little tiny bites on the tire. If you go to try to take one big bite here, this is where people break beads and stuff like that. Okay, not even halfway. Go up here and do it at like an inch at a time. I'm telling you, it took me forever to learn this. Inch at a time, just like that. And remember, constantly keeping pressure here against this, and there it is. It's on. I did a couple of these, and I'm telling you, I sat here for an hour sometimes fighting with it, and I had leverage bars and everything. I bent rims, I broke beads, and then somebody showed me the vice grips and doing the little bites at a time, and she goes right on now. And that works for all kinds of tires. The zero-turn tires, the little ones on the front, golf carts, go-karts, all that stuff. It's all about using those vice grips and taking little bites with that screwdriver, and you'll get it on. It goes rather fast too. All right, so hopefully this tip helps, and if it did, even if it didn't, just because I took the time out to do it, maybe you'll hit subscribe below. You'll give me a thumbs up, and hey, leave me a comment. Let me know you watched the video. I try to get back to everybody when I can. I really appreciate all you guys watching. All right, I'll see you next time.